Extreme engineering, no boundaries. These machines don't just work, they dominate hydraulic muscles. Titanium mills witness the most incredible, force-transforming technology ever created. Every second is an explosion of human innovation. This is why you need to be careful in the woods. That's a hung-up tree, and it's basically a ticking time bomb. One wrong move and it could come crashing down. Want to see how to deal with it? Check out this video, but remember, this is best left to the professionals. I applaud for that. It makes you wonder, doesn't it? Why do we often let trees deteriorate to the point where they become a hazard? These trees have witnessed history, provided shade and cleaned our air. Shouldn't they be treated with more respect? Perhaps if we saw them as living monuments, instead of just things, we'd make different choices. Ever wonder how they log on those crazy steep slopes? Well, I found out. They use this incredible machine, called the Ponzi Scorpion Giant, which is hooked up to a powerful winch system, called the Herzog Synchro Winch. The Synchro Winch provides controlled descent and ascent, ensuring stability and safety. It's like something out of a movie. This technology allows them to reach timber in places you wouldn't believe, all while keeping the logger safe and protecting the environment. I stumbled upon this stump grinding operation, and I couldn't tear myself away. The way that machine chews through that stump is mesmerizing. I started wondering about the mechanics of it, the powerful engine, the sharp teeth, the hydraulics that control the cutting wheel. It's a fascinating blend of brute force and precision engineering. This video really caught my eye. It seems like cutting up a tree in the road should be a pretty straightforward task, right? But this guy learned it the hard way, that it's not always that simple. Did he underestimate the weight of the tree? Maybe he didn't consider how the slope of the road would affect things. It's a good reminder that even seemingly simple tasks can have hidden complexities. Whoa, check out this homemade chainsaw mill I just found. It's so simple, but it totally works. Just slap your chainsaw on this frame and bam, you've got yourself a portable sawmill. I love how people come up with this stuff. Makes you wonder, what else you could build with a little creativity, right? I was fascinated to learn about this unique logging operation in Kazakhstan. They're using helicopters to transport timber. Can you imagine apparently? It's all about minimizing the impact on the forest. They can reach areas that would be impossible with traditional logging methods. It's amazing to see how technology is being used to protect our forests. See that fallen tree on the slope? The real danger is the stump wanting to roll back. So what did these guys do? They used another log as a temporary support. Brilliant, it stabilized the stump during the cut. This is a great example of how loggers use their knowledge and experience to overcome challenges in the field. Whoa, that was a hard stop. For a split second, I thought that truck was a gunner. It's amazing how quickly things can go wrong on the road, especially in those conditions. It makes you appreciate the skill it takes to handle a heavy vehicle. Like that, I'm just glad everyone was okay. A real reminder to stay alert behind the wheel. In the world of firewood processing, efficiency and ease of use are paramount, and let me tell you, this Oak Series splitter delivers with a 25-ton splitting force in a rapid 6-second cycle time. It makes quick work of even the toughest logs. This translates to less time and effort, allowing you to focus on enjoying that warm fire instead of breaking your back. Working in the forestry industry comes with its challenges. Tough terrain, heavy loads, and tight deadlines. But the Gotma MP20 is here to make your life easier. Its agile steering allows you to navigate even the most challenging terrain, while its powerful crane makes light work of heavy lifting. This machine is the solution for increased efficiency and productivity in your forestry operations. Alright, logging enthusiasts, let's talk about the Bogan 830E. This machine is the real deal. It's got the power and durability to tackle any logging operation, and its user-friendly design makes it a joy to operate. Plus, with the option for an electric engine, you can minimize your environmental impact. It's a win-win for productivity and sustainability. The TigerCat M718E is a track mulcher designed for heavy-duty land clearing and vegetation management applications. It is equipped with a tier for F. Cummins QS V6.7 engine delivering 129 kilowatts, 173 horsepower at 2,200 revolutions per minute. The machine features a 2-speed hydrostatic drive system, a high-pressure water spray system, and joystick controls for optimal operator efficiency. With a weight of approximately 11,070 kilograms, without attachments. The M718D is suitable for demanding projects, such as pipeline and power line clearing. Ever seen something so intense you can barely breathe? Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because this video is about to blow your mind. We've got a massive cedar tree, a chainsaw with a 48-inch bar. Yeah, you heard that right. This is what real excitement looks like. Well, this is a fantastic example of how specialized equipment makes all the difference in forestry. That slope could have been a real problem for that truck, but with the spinner assisting, they made it look easy. It's a great lesson in utilizing the right tools for the job and the importance of coordinated effort. Removing a large tree in a busy area can be a real headache, but this team tackled the problem head-on. They addressed all the key concerns for myths road closures, potential damage, and traffic disruption. They even considered the bus schedule. It's reassuring to see a well-executed plan that prioritizes safety and minimizes inconvenience. Drop a 1 in the comments if our video blew your mind. Your support fuels our creative fire. This is a classic example of why proper felling techniques are crucial, regardless of experience. Thank goodness nobody got hurt. Jump. Imagine a lumberjack stream, a machine that dances through hardwood with the grace of a ballet dancer, yet packs the punch of a prizefighter. The woodcutter C550 is a symphony of power and precision, turning the brutal task of logging into an art form. This is where brute force meets elegant execution. This 1796 water-powered sawmill in Balsfjord, northern Norway, offers a fascinating glimpse into early industrial technology. Note the careful integration of the mill with the natural landscape, utilizing the river for power, while minimizing environmental impact. This structure exemplifies the sustainable practices of pre-industrial societies. Foley Bell Saw A14. This baby was a game changer back in the day. With its 48-inch blade, it could handle anything you threw at it. It was built to last, and it did. This saw tells a story about hard work, dedication, and the American spirit. It's a reminder that we can build amazing things when we put our minds to it. Well, if you're still doubting the power of a tree, this video will show you the result. Well, even though it's not a very big tree, it can still cause significant damage. Never underestimate trees, everyone. Check this out, HSM Forest took their HSM for Klocko, 5H2L forwarder to the Austrian Alps, and showed everyone how it's done. This video is awesome. You see the machine climbing those crazy slopes. And the grapple is like bam, grabbing those trees. It's a total game changer for logging in tough spots. The PTH1-00/8-0HACKE. Our TRUCK is a high-capacity drum chipper designed for heavy-duty applications. Key specifications include a 12mm wide inlet, an 820mm diameter drum, and a MAN 480 horsepower diesel engine. This configuration enables a production rate exceeding 150 cubic meters of wood chips per hour, making it suitable for large-scale forestry operations. Oh man, this road is brutal. Mud everywhere and those wheels are spinning like crazy. These drivers got to be pros, with years of experience to get out of this mud pit. Split shapes are milled from western red cedar and Alaska yellow cedar, both renowned for durability and decay resistance, while red cedar exhibits superiority and consistency. For uniform shake production, yellow cedar offers increased density and longevity. Both species are suitable for roofing and siding applications in diverse climates. You gotta be a true gearhead to appreciate how sweet that truck is. looking to understand the paper industry, Maine's the place to be. They've got it down to a science. First things first, respect the resource. These forests are vital, so sustainable practices are a must. Think long-term. Invest in efficient harvesting and transportation. That's where the money is, and don't forget the people. This industry supports entire communities. Keep those jobs local and you'll build a strong, local workforce. Finally, remember the environment. Protect those forests, and they'll keep providing for generations to come. This clip provides a glimpse into the fascinating world of modern sawmills, showcasing the industrial conveyor method used to efficiently process logs into boards. Witness the impressive automation as raw timber is transported along the conveyor system, guided towards the powerful saw. Observe the precision and speed with which the saw slices through the logs, effortlessly dividing them into uniform planks. IMT 558 is a game changer for rural households. It's powerful enough for serious farming, yet compact and economical. If you're working 10 to 15 hectares, this tractor delivers a perfect balance of convenience and efficiency. It's no surprise the Sennheiser 8 60 series consistently ranks among the most dependable material handlers available, engineered for applications demanding extended reach and substantial lifting capacity. The 860E hybrid features cutting-edge technology, operator comfort, and unparalleled reliability. Its adaptability across various configurations makes it ideally suited to the rigorous demands of both port, handling, and scrapyard operations.